Hello everybody, this is my first YouTube video and I wanted to do it because I am very happy and satisfied with my new coffee machine. I got the Nespresso Virtual Plus and I purchased it through the Nespresso website. They had a special offer where you commit for them to take $35 monthly from your account, and if you do that for 12 months, they send you this machine and the frother for $1. So the first month I paid 36, 35, and then the $1 for the machine and the frother, and then as soon as I paid, the money was available on my Nespresso account, so I can purchase coffee. The good thing about this is that you're gonna purchase the coffee anyway. Like if you decide to buy the machine and not do the machine plan, you're gonna spend on the machine $100 and something, and then you're gonna purchase the coffee. Might as well just do this. You're gonna spend money on the coffee, and then you get the machine for just $1. So also something I like about this is that if you don't use the $35 that month, it accumulates. You don't have to use them. You don't lose them. So I was able to, I've had this, I got into the plan 2 months ago, and so my first 235 monthly payments accumulated, and I had $70. So I went ahead and I purchased coffee. I used it to buy 100 capsules of coffee so I can get my free gift that you get through Nespresso. So you have only until the third order to do that. So I went ahead and did that. Let me open the box so I can show you what's inside. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited. I actually ordered this box yesterday, midnight, and I got it today in the afternoon. So in 24 hours, it was really fast. I got my coffee. I ordered it on a Tuesday, like Wednesday early morning. It was like 12 midnight, and I got it on a Thursday. So this is the free sample that you get every time you order coffee. This one is the Barista Creations, and it's the vanilla custard pie and caramel cookie. And then the reason why I also wanted to order is because yesterday this new coffee came out, which is the Amaretti flavor. It's the Variations Italia Amaretti. I bought 2 boxes because I was very excited about this and I wanted to try it. And before it sold out, I wanted to go ahead and purchase. Let me see what else I got. Oh, okay. So I got the bag so I can send my capsules. Nespresso recycles and encourages everybody to recycle the capsules. So once you use the coffee, you'll send the capsules, the used capsules back, and it comes already with a shipping label that you can send back. Okay. This is the free gift. The free gift I got. I'll look at it in a little while. See what else I got. This is one of my favorite coffees, is Audacio. Virtual Audacio. My favorite one. It's one that I do almost whenever I don't want a flavor coffee, I do Audacio or Stormio. Let me see what it is. Oh, and this is Stormio. Okay. I also got the caramel cookie. I love caramel cookie. That's a good caramel flavor. To me, it tastes more like caramel, not necessarily a cookie. It just tastes like caramel flavor, which is a really nice flavor. This is the other Variations Italia flavor. It's the pecan biscotti. And I am looking forward to that as well. So I got from the new ones that just came out. They came out yesterday, the 28th, and I purchased it immediately. And like I said, I got it in one day, so I look forward to trying those. I might make a video when I try them, so I can tell you guys. Okay, I also got the Alto Intenso. It's the larger coffee. I think it's 14 ounces, and I decided to do this because my husband and I share, and wanted to see if we could do this and like share the coffee and save money. So, because if I drink 7 ounces and he drinks 7 ounces, this is 14 ounces, and so one pot only. This is $12, so it's a good price. I also got the Fortado. This one is $10. The Nespresso, the Nespresso Fortado. It's $10, but I like it. I like strong coffee, and the level here is a level 8. And something I didn't show before. Yeah, the Alto Intenso is a level 7. I don't know if you can see. Oh, it's taking forever too. But it's a level 7. And Stormio is a level 8, and Audacio is a 7. This one's here, the variations don't say the strength of the coffee. Like none of the flavor coffees have the strength. The caramel cookie also doesn't have it. So let me just put everything nice and neat here. Oops. I am so excited to try this. I mean, I've tried the Stormio and the Audacio, but I want to try the Alto Intenso, and I want to try the new variations Italia, Pecan, Biscotti, and Amaretti. The colors are just beautiful. I also got Mexico. I like this coffee. It's a good flavor, a little kick and spice to it. That's also, I believe it's a level 7. Yes, it's a level 7. Okay. And then, what else did I get? Oh, and I love the pumpkin spice cake as well. So I got the pumpkin spice cake. So for now, when it comes to the pots, it's selling for $14. So this was the most expensive one. The new ones that just came out, they're $12.50 or $12.25. No, $12.50. I believe, for these ones, so they're not as expensive. Caramel cookie is just the basic $11. Mexico is $12 for the pod. Fortado is 10. Alto Intenso is 12, which I'm hoping it works. If we, it's 14 ounces, like I said. So if we do 7 and 7 and 7, me and my husband, we're basically only using one pod. That way coffee lasts us longer, and then we have Stormio and Audacio, and that's it. I got the caramel cookie free sample, and then I'm curious about the gift. Oh my goodness. Nice box, great presentation. The quality of everything that Nespresso does is really, really nice. Oh my God, and I haven't tried this. I've been wanting to try this. I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, but Amahawe, Uganda. So, look at the cups. Beautiful, beautiful cups. They have the Nespresso sign. Nice cups. I think they are the BU cups. They call it the Nespresso BU cups. Yes. It says, this BU mugs were designed exclusively for Nespresso by the Swiss studio Atelier Oi. So it brings the 2 mugs, and it brings the coasters. Nice raw material. Turkish coffee customs. And then, yeah, nice. And then the coffee. So I am very, very, very excited to try all these coffees. I'm really looking forward to trying the new Variations Italia flavors for Christmas. I decided to do this November 2020, and so holidays are coming. I had already the Nespresso pumpkin. I wanted to get more. I liked it that much. And like I said before, Stormy and Audacia are my favorite. I went ahead and got more, but I'm all set for a couple, at least 2 or 3 months, hopefully. 2, I know. 3, hopefully. And yeah, plenty of coffee. Thank you, guys.